This video demonstrates the uses and benefits of Zoho Online for CalWestern Manufacturing. What is Zoho? Zoho is basically Excel hosted on a real-time server that can be accessed simultaneously by all departments within CalWestern. What is the purpose of Zoho? The purpose of Zoho is to speed communications and documentation between the departments and ultimately service the customer more effectively. This is the primary reason the production department uses Zoho, because they communicate directly with our customers. Not to mention, it's very easy to monitor for every other department and manager awaiting responses from other departments. Here's an example. CalWestern has 9 production-related departments that all need to communicate with each other to push a PO through. Since our company is growing, getting valid information quickly helps the production department not only direct the workflow between the departments, but to respond to customer needs with better accuracy. Here's how it works. It all starts with a PO. From there it goes to the lab and to the production department for scheduling. The production department is the central planning department on Zoho. POs are uploaded here, and as a result, it triggers the workflow between all other departments. At the same time, the lab is putting together the formula and the required documentation for the product being produced. From there, the production department checks the component counts and either communicates the needs to the customer or orders the supplies directly to complete the order. Up next, the raw materials department checks to see if we have the ingredients needed to make the order. They are able to begin this process the moment the production department uploads the PO to Zoho. This is where using Zoho really pays off in terms of shared departmental communications. Once all the ingredients are available, the raw materials pre-weighing department builds a precise pre-weighed pallet of ingredients for the mixing department. At this point, the mixing department mixes the ingredients together. When the mix is done, they await an approval from the lab. Sometimes adjustments are needed to meet formula requirements before they can clear a mixing tank. One following test from the lab, called micro approval, is necessary to ready the bulk liquids for filling. Moving on, the bulk liquid is then prepared to be filled into the final unit containers for the customer. Working in unison with the production department during the filling stage is our QC department, a separate but equal department. QC refers to both quantity control and quality control. This department makes sure the finished products meet the high standards set forth by the lab, as well as verify account totals produced by the production department. Once the filling process is complete, a check of the customer's billing status is confirmed prior to shipping the products to the customer. Finally, the palletized order is either shipped to the customer or stored in our off-site warehouses where finished goods are indexed and await customer pickup. How is this all accomplished? All 9 of the major production-related departments use this single Zoho document to engage in a shared real-time communication for every single product we manufacture. This single unified Zoho document makes it possible for CalWestern to speed communications between the departments, unify the documentation, provide a checks and balances system between the departments, build teamwork and trust between the players, add a layer of transparency for the company, and ultimately service the customer with the highest quality standards possible. Thanks for watching CalWestern Online through Zoho.